For centuries, Themis stood as the divine embodiment of justice, her scales balancing truth, her blindfold symbolizing impartiality. She has been a timeless figure, representing the core values of fairness and equality in the legal system. But can justice remain unchanged in an age of algorithms and AI? As technology advances, the legal landscape is evolving rapidly. Themis has traveled through time, adapting to new systems of law. Her journey is a testament to the enduring nature of justice. From Roman courts to medieval judges, she has witnessed the transformation of legal systems and into our modern courtrooms. Each era brought its own challenges and innovations, but now she faces her greatest challenge yet, the digital age. The rise of artificial intelligence is reshaping how we perceive justice. With artificial intelligence making legal decisions, the question arises, can justice still be fair? Can an algorithm truly understand the nuances of human experience and morality? Does Themis lose her role, or does she evolve? The integration of AI into the legal system poses profound questions. What happens when AI decides guilt and innocence? The implications are vast and complex. Themis is not replaced. She adapts. Just as she has done throughout history, she finds a way to incorporate new elements while maintaining the essence of justice. In a world of AI, true justice must be transparent, ethical, and human-centered. The principles of fairness and accountability must guide the use of technology and law. Themis has ruled for millennia. Her legacy is one of resilience and adaptation. But as AI takes the stand, what do you think? The future of justice is in our hands. Will justice remain fair? The balance between human judgment and artificial intelligence is delicate. Comment below. Your thoughts are crucial in this ongoing debate. Can AI truly replace human judgment in law? Or should it serve as a tool to enhance human decision-making? Share if you believe justice must always have a human touch. The conversation about AI and justice is just beginning, and your voice matters.